So with the UVDTF, when you're printing, say you're printing an image, and then the Vanish for some reason is not finishing the whole image, you just go here on advanced, you go on the password 222222, and then control F12 so that it gives you factory mode, and then you click the factory mode, and then you go to where it says UV right here, and then illuminating distance, the custom illuminating distance, you can increase it so that it can finish the whole artwork when it's curing. So here you've got 50, but you can put a value like 100, or depending to how much distance is leaving behind without curing. That's basically it when it comes to UV on a UVDTF.